Hello to everyone, I am Abhishek Jha. We here at our institute follow various teaching and learning processes rather than the traditional approach. One of such approach is metacognition. So what is metacognition? Metacognition is basically thinking about your own thinking. It is one's ability to use prior knowledge so that they can approach towards the question. They can divide it into the steps and then conclude the result. They can also change their approach whenever needed. Let me explain it to you with an example. This is a question of blood relation. Introducing Yashvi, Abhishek said, "She is the daughter of my grandfather's only son." How is Yashvi related to Abhishek? Now I'll ask one of my students to answer this question.
So actually the answer of this question would be niece. I actually did the reverse analysis of this question, and the first step that involved in this question is the relation between grandfather's only son, that came to be father, then the father's daughter, that would be sister, and then the last step is sister's daughter, that came to be niece.
Well done, Yashvi. As you saw that Yashvi used her analysis, her prior knowledge, and then divided the question into steps, and then she concluded the result. This is exactly what metacognition is. Thank you so much.